Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside DLF Phase 1, Sector 28, Gurugram region. We're in the heart of the city, parallelly connected to the main golf course road and the MG road. Today, we're on a plot size of 500 square yards, which has a configuration of 4-bedroom hall kitchen, dining drawing along with this on the same level. So let's start. This is the place where I'm standing, is the dining space. You can also consider this as your bar, lounge, or maybe something else that you want to materialize for yourself. Towards my left, this is a beveled diamond glass design, which is looking more artistic and elegant, with an engineered wall towards the left and towards the right. You talk about the ceiling. This is the false ceiling of the property, which has a rectangular shape. When we talk about the flooring of the surface, you've got the Italian flooring on the surface. Let's move inside the living space quickly. This is a small channel wherein you'll be able to enter inside the living space with the help of this channel. ये आपका living space है, formal living space. Towards your left, you've got the Daikin का AC. This is complete engineered wall, teak wood brown color. Surface पे Italian flooring. बीच में शैंडलियर दिया हुआ है सीलिंग में, फैंस दोनों तरफ हेवल्स के हैं. When you talk about the false ceiling design, this is again rectangular but it's same. You've got a huge glass out here which gives you the natural light. This is an aluminium used here with the toughened glasses. The natural light will flow inside your property early in the morning, and if it's raining by any chance, you will be able to see the mesmerizing view inside your house. This is a small balcony which is connected in the front of this house with the living space. This is the balcony area, a natural stone. You could see the air conditioner इधर place करा हुआ है. ये आपका drainage के लिए vessel दिया हुआ है. You've got the tap. You can use it as a wet area. Textured wall towards my left and right. This is the nice quality aluminium that we have used. Probably when we talk about this kind of a house, इधर में तो डेकोरेशन के लिए आप जितना कर सकते हैं उतना कर सकते हैं. कोई इसमें it's like as much money as you want to spend. We'll cover up the first bedroom of the property from here. Come. This is the first bedroom. It's in the front of the house, which is similarly connected with the living space. ऊपर में आपका सीलिंग में इंजीनियर्ड वुड दिया हुआ है. डिफरेंस नहीं है, सिर्फ वुड का डिफरेंस है. सीलिंग में आपका ये डिज़ाइन सेम है. डाइकिन का आपका एसी है. अगेन गॉट द इंजीनियर्ड वॉल आउट है. वॉल लैम्प्स UPVC, but this is a polished UPVC. Let's cover up the washroom of this first bedroom. This is the space. This will be removed, need not to be worried. This is the complete space. ऊपर में आपका इन्होंने फॉल सीलिंग में डिज़ाइन दे दिया अच्छा सा. This is a natural stone. This is again a natural stone out here. Vanity में आपका faucet दिया हुआ है. नीचे cabinet section है. You've got the seat. This is not a wall mount seat. This is the sensor operated glass, which is gonna help you to improve yourself every single day. This is a small channel door. यहाँ पर पत्थर यूज़ करा हुआ है, natural stone. You've got the rain head on your top. This is the space to keep your soap and your utilities. This is the Grohe fittings. A tall hanger. यहाँ पर आपका exhaust दिया हुआ है. It's a huge space inside the washroom. We'll cover up the second bedroom. Now, please come. This area can also be utilized as the foyer area. This is since a very, it's a huge area that we can say. ये आपका डाइनिंग स्पेस के लिए आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. पहले मैंने वो बताया था, मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ, इसको भी आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. और आपका इंजीनियर्ड वुड शीट्स दिया हुआ है ऊपर में टीक ब्राउन कलर का. सीलिंग पे एक डिज़ाइन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. Ceiling design stays little different, but the theme stays similar. Daikin ka AC. You've got the wall on your right side. इसमें emboss करा हुआ है design already. उसके बाद आपका Havells का आपका fan दिया हुआ है. Floor में आपका surface पे Italian marble है आपका. You've got the Italian marble on the surface. You've got the UPVC door and window. You can slide it. This is again the back side of the property. Natural stone, a high quality metal which is used at the back side. All externals are hung out here. Textured wall, beautiful. Show them the surroundings a little bit. Okay, come. Let's get inside the washroom space of the second bedroom. These are all this is all tile which has been placed here. Stuff to keep your utilities, space to keep your utilities. This is the vanity faucet for the cabinet section. This is natural stone, beautifully carved. तो ये आपका washing area है. यहाँ पर आपका rain head again similar है, कोई difference नहीं है यहाँ पर. Towel stand, but the only difference out here is इसमें आपको ये वाला sliding door दिया हुआ है to manage the space efficiently. This is the storage system. Basically not the storage, I would say the closet. ये आपका space दिया हुआ है closet के लिए. Towards your right, towards your left, it goes like this. ये पूरा अगर आप बंद करेंगे, इसमें आप देखेंगे engineered teak wood sheets दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर आपका एक border बनाया हुआ है इन्होंने बीच में, which is looking elegant. Glass work is fantabulous. Sensor. The door quality that I will discuss. Door quality, एक अच्छा quality का door दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर भी. Let's get inside the third bedroom of the property, which is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom of the house. आपका wall on the left hand side, which has an artistic design. This is Italian on the surface. A huge glass on the back side for the natural light to flow. Daikin ka AC. False ceiling remains little different, but the theme is same. Surface पे Italian. यहाँ पर आपका this is like the natural stone again, the backside balcony which is connected with the second bedroom. ये आपका wall lamps लगाए हुए हैं. This is the washroom space which is attached with the master bedroom. You talk about the closet area. Here is the closet, very huge. This is the space. This is again another space which has been utilized out here. This is the space. We close it like this, we open it here. You've got the place to hang your clothes. On the surface, when I talk about this is all Italian which is placed. Here is the marble work done. Marble का इन्होंने पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पर काम करा हुआ है. Vanity, when I talk about glass, looks little elegant. अच्छा है. Sensor operated है. ग्रोहे की fittings है vanity में. Commode sheet is, it's not wall mounted. This is a small channel for the washroom. Rain head over on the top. Everything remains the same. Ceiling का जो design दिया है, it's almost similar to the other designs that we've seen. The distinguish between the other bedrooms, if I have to do it, got a huge bathtub out here. Ventilation के लिए यहाँ पर आपका window दे दिया है. ये आप खोल सकते हैं ऐसे drag करके. With the Havells का fan, you keep your utilities out here. These are the storage spaces for the cabinets. Natural stone once again here in this place. All branded fittings. Got a huge quality door. गीजर भी दिया हुआ, एक बार दिखा दीजिए. So this was the master bedroom of the property that we've covered. Let's get inside the fourth bedroom. A huge bedroom size, Italian marble on the surface. This is an engineered wood design. ये wood पे design दिया हुआ है. Wall cladded. This is the closet, the wardrobe section. The another one on the right side. Let's close this and showcase you how does this look like. This is the feel that you'll get. The false ceiling designs, the false ceiling design would remain same. Since the theme is carried away, it's almost the same. This is the balcony space, UPVC. This is the external AC, good quality aluminium, mixed metal, toughened glass. Show them the surroundings. यहाँ पर आप झूला लगा सकते हैं, इधर किसी ने लगाया नहीं है वैसे. You'll be the first one to place it. गीज़र दिया हुआ है, वाटर टैप दिया हुआ है, ड्रेनेज वेसल दिया हुआ है, nothing else is left. Let's get inside the washroom. Feels good, feels damn good. Sensor operated glass, vanity, all cabinets, utilities का space, commode seat, good quality textured tile. Again, good quality. You've got this is a natural stone rain head. Everything is almost same. Nothing has changed here. The theme is carried away. यहाँ फैन दिया हुआ है. सीलिंग भी दिखा दीजिए. सीलिंग पे आपका ऊपर में डिज़ाइन है वॉल क्लैरेड जैसे होता है. डाइकिन का AC, मॉड्यूलर स्विचेस हैं पूरे घर में. लेट्स कवर अप दी लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट विच इज़ द किचन एरिया. प्लीज कम. This is the area which gets connected to your kitchen. A small channel which is given here, since if somebody is cooking food inside the kitchen, the greasiness, which the moisture that I talk about, that's the right word, वो बाहर नहीं जाएगा. अच्छा खासा स्पेस है. सीलिंग देखेंगे बहुत प्यारे से डिज़ाइन करा हुआ है. ये वॉल के अंदर ही डिज़ाइन है. बाकी ये फॉल सीलिंग ऊपर से अलग से दिया हुआ है. बेवेल्ड डायमंड कट ग्लास. This is the space. This is all natural stone. This is also a natural stone which is given here. Since the thickness is little, it's wide, engineered wood. आपका kitchen के अंदर the first thing that the person will come across is the space, that how many people can accommodate. This kitchen can accommodate approximately, I guess, 4 to 5 people out here. Stain-free countertop towards my left and right. This is the chimney hob by CAF. You talk about the grooving system. This is by the company called Colt. A complete cabinet space to keep your stuff. You can actually keep your stuff here. Oven के लिए जगह दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. इधर भी space है. Got a huge space. ये यहाँ पर एल्यूमिनियम थोड़ा सा यूज़ हुआ है. इधर भी स्टोरेज के लिए जगह दिया हुआ है आपका. This is also the space. This is the space to keep your cutlery, maybe raisins, your grains. This is again a natural stone. This is ये किस कंपनी का है? This is by Frankie. You can rotate this vessel accordingly. A nice space. ये आपका नीचे में कुछ फालतू सामान नहीं है. सिंपल लिविंग है, हाई थिंकिंग है. ये ड्रॉर्स हैं आपके सारे जो स्पेस आपका अकोमोडेट करते हैं. These are all drawers. I'm sorry I was not able to showcase you this one, so we'll open this one for you. This is the balcony connected with the kitchen. A natural stone. This is connected with the second and the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom. This is the back side of the property, and externals are hung. आपका यहाँ पर गीजर्स वगैरह की जगह दे रखी है. वेंटिलेशन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है दूर दूर तक. यू विल फील रिलैक्स. सरफेस पे इटालियन फ्लोरिंग है. कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं है क्वालिटी के साथ. कुछ भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं है. दिस इज़ अगेन एन एफिशिएंट स्पेस. यहाँ पर जो मैंने आपको पहले दिखाया था. कम ऑन, लेट्स showcase you and reiterate what we have shown you today. To reiterate, this was Anupam Gambhir from Estate Experts. 500 square yard 4 BHK dining drawing hall kitchen. Signing off. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you were looking for a site visit and if you want to visit the site, you've got the back of your mind that you want to visit the site, please give us a call and we'll be right there for you welcoming. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.